Are you struggling with a lagging RecyclerView when loading a large number of songs? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to optimize your RecyclerView for a smoother experience. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your app slows down, especially when you're trying to enjoy your favorite music. Many developers face this issue, and it's a common concern in app development. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I load a large song list in a RecyclerView without lagging? They mentioned that their app experiences ANR when the dataset is huge. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what causes this lag? When dealing with large datasets, inefficient loading and rendering can lead to performance issues. We'll break down the reasons and provide solutions to enhance your app's performance. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a pro tip that will help you keep your RecyclerView running smoothly, even with thousands of items. To improve the performance of the RecyclerView, the user should implement pagination. This means loading a limited number of items initially, and then loading more as the user scrolls down. Next, the user should modify the scroll listener to load more items when the RecyclerView is scrolled to the bottom. This can be done by checking the scroll position and updating the dataset accordingly. Additionally, the user should ensure that the glide library is used efficiently. This can be achieved by caching images and using placeholders to improve loading times. Finally, the user should consider using a background thread for loading data. This will prevent the main UI thread from being blocked, reducing the chances of an application not responding. Fun fact, did you know that Google Play Music was designed to handle massive song libraries seamlessly? They use advanced techniques to ensure smooth performance. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to load data in smaller chunks instead of all at once. This method helps to reduce processing time and improve performance. They recommend monitoring the user's scroll state and loading the next batch of data as needed, similar to how apps like Instagram and Facebook operate. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using Android X Room and paging to improve performance when loading large datasets in a RecyclerView. They recommend caching your data from the network into a local room database and then using paging to load that data efficiently. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always profile your app's performance using tools like Android Profiler. This will help you identify bottlenecks and optimize your code effectively. And there you have it. With these tips, your RecyclerView should handle large datasets without lag. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights and tips on app development.